Have you ever wondered how to grow your own broccoli from store-bought heads? Well, it's not only possible but also highly rewarding. Imagine the freshness, the cost savings, and the sheer joy of tending to your own garden. So, if you're interested in having your own homegrown broccoli, stay tuned. To successfully grow broccoli, you need to understand some basics. Broccoli thrives in cooler temperatures, ideally between 55 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It loves full sun, requiring at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. As for the soil, it prefers a well-draining, slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6 and 7. Adding compost or well-rotted manure will boost its growth. Now that you know the basics, you're ready to start your broccoli growing adventure. Growing broccoli from store-bought heads is quite simple. Let's break it down into manageable steps. Step 1. Get yourself a head of broccoli from your local grocery store. Make sure it's fresh and green. Step 2. Cut off the broccoli florets, but remember to leave about 2 inches of the stalk intact. This is going to be your new plant. Step 3. Place the stalk in a jar of water. Make sure that the cut end is submerged. You'll want to change the water every 2 days to prevent mold or fungus. Step 4. Wait for roots to form. This usually happens within a week or 2. Once the roots are about ½ an inch long, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 5. Plant your sprouted broccoli stalk in a pot filled with fertile soil. Ensure it gets plenty of sunlight and water it regularly. And there you have it. In a few weeks, you should have a fresh, homegrown broccoli ready to harvest. Growing your own broccoli can indeed be a rewarding journey. We've covered the basics, as well as a step-by-step guide to cultivate from store-bought heads. Imagine the satisfaction of eating homegrown, fresh broccoli. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.